In this video, we're going to look at an example of how we change the order of integration for an iterated integral. So we're given some arbitrary function f of x, y, and being asked to originally do the iterated integral from 0 to 2 and integral from x squared to 4 with respect to y first and then with respect to x, and we're being asked to change that order around. In order to do that, let's draw a picture first. So we're going from y equals x squared to y equals 4. So I graph the parabola y equals x squared, graph the horizontal line y equals 4. We're told the x's only go from 0 to 2, so I cut this off at 0 and go over to 2. So here's the region that we want to integrate over. Now originally, again, remember it was presented to us in hold x constant, integrate with respect to y first, and then with respect to x. We want to switch it around. We want to hold y constant and figure out what the x bounds are. Well, the left bound will be x equal to 0. Solving y equals x squared for x, we get x equals the positive square root of y. That's because we're on the right side here. So then we can describe this integral now. The region, is 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to the square root of y. For the x's, and then the y's, we notice, go from 0 to 4. So to rearrange our integral now, we'll integrate f of x, y with respect to x first and with respect to y. The inner bounds for the y will go from 0 to root y, and the outer bounds will go from 0 to 4 for the y.